Traditionally, Iran and India have strong cultural and civilizational ties. From last one and a half decade, India and Iran started developing certain conflicts of interests. And if you see P5+1 deal, JCPOA, and after that, America's sanctions on the countries which import oil from Iran, all these things have become significant, relevant, and also a point of concern in the Asian politics. Here comes the recent episode of China Iran new partnership. China and Iran forged a new partnership for 25 years, a strategic partnership, and the business worth $400 billion is going to happen between China and Iran. In this perspective, a new development happened in the Asian politics, that is Chabahar port. Chabahar port is very crucial for India also. The reason is India cannot have access to Pakistan's Gwadar port, and Chabahar port is just 72 kilometers away from Gwadar port. If India wanted to help, if India wished to help Afghanistan, it cannot go through Pakistan. India has to go through some other route. And if India has to pursue effective look west policy, that is India's relationship with West Asia, Central Asian countries, India has to find out some other transit route. Strategically, politically, economically, geographically, Chabahar port is very crucial. India wanted to partner in the development in the Chabahar port. From 2003 onwards, India was trying, and the real development unleashed actually in 2015. And in the year 2016, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to Iran along with Afghanistan President and Iranian President. India have actually forged a strong MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with these countries for a transit route, to develop a transit corridor. In that MOU, there is an important component called development of railway project near Chabahar port. In fact, it is called Chabahar Jahedan railway project. Chabahar Jahedan railway project. Even it is useful for the development of Afghanistan because the project also is very close to Afghanistan. So, India needs this project at any cost, but the news is coming up yesterday and today from the Iranian sources that India dropped out from the Chabahar rail project. Iranian sources are mentioning that India is delaying the project. MOU was signed in 2016, but till date work was not started. This was a complaint from Iran. And there is one more important issue. For Chabahar port related projects, for purchase of higher technology and big loans, even banks are not ready to give loans as they fear American wrath, American sanctions. But with respect to American sources, America have a lot of sanctions, imposed a lot of sanctions on Iran. But as far as the news goes, with respect to Chabahar project, America is not imposing sanctions if some country helps Iran to develop this Chabahar project. But Iranian sources are saying that they are unhappy with India's development of railway project. So, Iran wanted to develop by its own Chabahar Jahedan railway project. And here there are 2-3 things which we need to know. Here there are 2-3 things which we need to act upon, think upon. Whether India is fearing American sanctions if India develops railway project in Chabahar. But Chabahar project is very important for India. India can use this as a gateway to connect it with West Asia. If you go through all these things, you can link the entire episode with what has happened between Iran and China recently. China is already investing in Chabahar project. Iran might take help from China, and India's loss might end up in Chinese gain. If you understand this in this perspective, India should be very wary about this development, Iran and China friendship.